Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about chilies reducing your mortality. Nice topic. I grew up in India, so I like chilies. I like spicy food. And I noticed that once people like it, they seem to like it a lot. They get used to it. Well, the first study that caught my eye actually was a couple of years ago that came from the NHANES study, which is our national health and wellness study. And it took something like 16,000 American adults over age 18 from 1988 to 1994 and followed them for a total of 273,000 human years, looking at whether you ate chilies or not. Criteria being at least 4 times a week, 2 to 4 times a week. Chili eaters, there were some 4,000 deaths. Chili eaters only died only at 21% mortality. Non-chili eaters at 33%. That's an absolute 12% reduction, or you could say the other way is a 35% reduction, because you're dropping quite dramatically. Okay, that was a good initial study. Well, that sparked more serious research. So now the folks who did a recent article in Circulation, very prestigious journal, takes the issue more seriously, and they looked at 4,700 different studies on chili consumption, and 4 met their criteria for being rigorous enough. Well, they had 570,000 people in those 4 studies. And one more time, 25% reduction in all-cause mortality. This is huge. Why aren't you eating chilies? Well, people say, oh, my taste buds don't feel good for it. The question is, what's going on? Actually, there has been a surprisingly not much research done on it. But what we are finding is that chili peppers probably help repair the NAD-NADH ratio. Well, that's the holy grail of wellness. It's that ratio is the fundamental redox ratio of your cell. So it's the most important balance. And as long as that's healthy, your cells are functioning fine. Well, seems like chili peppers make it fine. Now, we want you to take metformin and things like that to improve that ratio. But you could have a little more fun and get a little bit of chili pepper on the side. What will work for me? Well, I just ordered olive oil and chilies, and wow, did I get a hot supply. Made in America, olive oil, chili peppers. It's right there on the internet. You can find it easily. Eat some chilies every day if you can. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about how chili peppers reduce all-cause mortality 25%. That's more powerful than any other thing we do in medicine.